Some perennials don't just return every year, they bloom longer and better over time. In this video, you'll discover 10 perennials that reward gardeners with extended flowering seasons and reliable performance year after year. Coneflowers bloom for months once established. As the plant matures, it produces more stems and longer-lasting flowers. These bright perennials bloom generously from summer into fall. Each year, larger clumps mean more blooms and longer color. Daylilies offer repeat blooming varieties that improve with age. Mature plants produce more flower stalks over a longer season. Shasta daisies bloom heavily once established. With proper care, they return each year with extended flowering. Lavender blooms longer as the plant becomes fuller. Regular pruning helps encourage repeat flowering. Catmint is known for its long bloom time. As it matures, it flowers more abundantly and for longer periods. Coreopsis is a dependable bloomer from early summer to fall. Established plants bloom longer with minimal care. Salvia produces repeated blooms when deadheaded. Mature plants deliver extended color throughout the season. Sedum blooms later in the season, extending garden color into fall. Larger plants mean more impressive flowering displays. Russian sage blooms for weeks with airy purple flowers. As it matures, the bloom period becomes more dramatic. These perennials prove that patience pays off with longer and better blooms. Subscribe for more long-lasting plant ideas and easy garden inspiration.